Hello, so tell me a little bit about DeepMentor. It's in generative AI, which is a very hot topic at the moment. So what do you do?
Yeah, actually, DeepMentor is AI startup companies. We focus on edge computing, and because we all know the ChatGPT already show us the potential of generative AIs, and we believe in the near future, a lot of companies will adopt generative AI in their companies, and using ChatGPT or using the on-cloud service maybe will cause a lot of issues for them. So we believe that a lot of companies they will use training their own customized large language models, and will be adopted in their company's own cloud servers inside the companies. Yeah.
On premises?
On the premises.
Okay.
Yeah.
So take me through a journey for the customer. How does he engage with you, or he or she?
Yeah, actually, we already service in different fields like retail, finance, or medical care. Actually, they're a little bit different for their categories, but they have same requirements. For example, the most of the issue they care about is like data securities, and of course they are very concerned about the cost of adopting the large language models or generative AIs. So our solution actually we can promise them actually we can secure their data securities, because you don't need to upload your data to the public clouds. Only use we train your own models, and you can use your own generative AIs in-house your companies. Yeah, and then actually we provide a total solution like you use FPGAs.
Okay.
FPGA compared with GPUs actually is much more cost effective.
Yeah. Okay, so you provide a box and the ability for the customer to generate their specific LLMs.
Yes. We provide a total solution. Like for example, like customer maybe they already have their own private servers, so we can upgrade their servers and just put in FPGAs. Yeah, after we training their own customized large language models, and then we will provide them the solutions to upgrade their private server.
And is the FPGA just because you need to provide that customization on premises?
Yes. Why we're using FPGA? Because we all know that GPUs is very good for the model trainings.
Yes.
But actually, when you talk about the inference, it's not as good as the FPGAs.
Oh,
because
okay.
It will cost much more energy consumptions.
Right.
Yeah. So actually, the price is relatively high.
And what's the advantage of a customer coming to you as opposed to going to somebody who's providing that cloud software as a service type of application? Why would they come to you? What's the uniqueness? I guess being on premises, security is one thing, but then what are the other benefits?
Actually, we are the only and the first total solution on premises, because most right now almost every solution is based on the GPU.
Okay.
We are the only one to provide FPGA on premises solutions. Yeah,
okay.
So I think we are not just only to train the models for our customers. We also provide them the hardware solutions, and it's very unique.
And tell me about the company's origins. When did it start? How did it start?
Okay, yeah, our founder is called, his name is Jack. Actually, he's a PhD of National Taiwan Universities, and all our teams come from National Taiwan Universities. And our founder, he has more than 20 years of experience in the IC design service, and embedded systems. And our team actually is very strong because they are very experienced in the embedded systems and IC design. So that's why we can adapt our solutions into FPGA.
And when you say 20 years experience, where did he come from?
Sorry?
20 years experience in embedded systems, you said?
Yeah.
In university or in companies?
Both in university and companies.
Okay.
Yeah.
Local in Taiwan?
Local in Taiwan.
Okay.
Yeah.
And when did this company get formed?
Actually, DeepMentor was established in 2018.
2018.
We are already established over 5 years.
5 years. And how many people are you?
We almost have 20 persons.
All right.
Yeah, and more than half is R&D.
And what kind of customers do you have already?
Actually, we already have like more than 10 customers in LLM customized.
Okay.
Yeah. And we also have customers in the IC design companies. Yeah.
And what are they doing with that, the IC design?
Actually, we have two BUs. Another BU is we're doing the AI IP design services.
Okay.
Yeah. And so we license our AI IPs to IC design house.
Okay, interesting.
Yeah.
So you have a diversity of models, business models.
Yeah.
And what's next for the company? What do you want to achieve in the next 12 months?
Yeah, this is a great question because we have seen a great potential of the generative AIs.
Yes.
So, and we believe in the near future, large language model or generative AI will be adopted in like robots or like a different kind of robots and the human interface devices. So we want to be the leaders of this field to provide the best solutions for them.
Now at Computex, Jensen Huang said in his keynote, they're working with 1,600 generative AI startups.
Yeah.
So what differentiates you amongst those 1,600 if you are like one of those, for example?
Okay, great question. Actually, their partners, of course, they're based on the GPU and their ecosystems. I think we are kind of, I won't say we are the competitors, but actually we are going our own ways.
Okay.
Yeah, and I think it makes a total difference. Yeah, NVIDIA is very great companies, but I think in the world of AI, they definitely will have different, very successful company in the future. And I hope that DeepMentor will be one of them.
Well, Leo, thank you very much.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you for having me. Yeah. Thank you.